వినయ్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది.
Okay, good. Then next one. So till now we have done the configurations with the help of what we can say asset things and asset depreciation keys creations, and the next one is asset class creations, and you have seen number of things so which are related to the particular SAP as for HANA, and you have observed lot of things. When we compare with ECC and SAP as for HANA, the most important thing that we want to observe here is without having the legacy data transfer, without having the legacy data transfer dates, legacy data transfer status and all, your clients, okay, may not be satisfied with the work that you have done. Why? Because in preparation stage, what will happen? In completed stage, what will happen? In outgoing process, what will happen? They will just ask you different types of questions on the particular things. Why? Because the thing is that here, the way you are explaining all these things to your client, it may be complex things or it may not be complex things. Okay. The most important thing here is when you are giving the user acceptance training to any other person, okay, they will just raise the questions why you are using the legacy data transfers and why you are closing the present previous fiscal years, and why you are opening the present fiscal years. They will just ask you these types of questions, and also they will just focus on the segment reporting, and which is assigned to the particular company codes and all. With the help of segment reporting, you will going to have one reporting status, that is FE underscore 01 is the filing status and all. Based on that only you can able to see the report. Okay, at the same time, with the help of segment reporting, you can able to see the asset explorer. So without having segment reporting, the asset will not show. Okay, the system will not show you the asset explorer things. Okay, posted values, acquisitions values, depreciation values, like this. Okay, so everything is fine, but the more focus on these things are basically on segment reporting, activate asset accounting, legacy data transfers, and a lot of things. Fiscal year variant creations, fiscal year variant complete status, saving status and all. And the next one is reporting, filing reportings for the segment reporting, and also report generation of the assets for the segment reporting. See, in interview, they will going to ask you a lot of questions. And if you are in a rollout project, if you are in a rollout project, that would be the great thing. Okay, so if you are in a rollout project, you know it very well how the legacy data transfers are transferring. Okay, dates are transferring. That is very, very important. Okay, no issue. Now we have done with the configurations like maintain depreciation keys and on using transaction code AMA, and now we are doing some testings. Okay, creation of the assets, creation of the sub assets, and post or purchase of the with the asset acquisition with vendor also. And then next one is depreciation postings. Okay, so main asset records. The next one is a check explorer, and the next one is asset view, report view, how much amount that you have posted. And the next one is display depreciation through the reports also. We have created each and everything, and view asset history. You have number of things. Okay, specified financial statement portions, and the next one is depreciation posting. Now we will just try to have the asset creations with vendor, and the next one is uh, asset sub creations. And if you want to have the sub creations, you can do it. The next one is asset explorer. The next one is depreciation posting. So first step is creation of the asset. Ma'am, go to the creation of the asset. AS01. Okay, and asset class is main asset, all of you. It is not a asset under construction. Okay, first we see all these things for the main asset. Then we do have another topic that is real-time scenarios. That is asset under construction topic in SAP S4 HANA. So after this class, we will going to discuss about the asset under constructions also. You don't need to worry. First, try to learn all these things with main asset. Then you can move to the asset under construction. Okay. Click on the enter now. So give your description, anything. Description, whatever the things that you want, you can just give it. There is no issue. Huh. And the next, can you come down now? The next one is capitalization date. And what is the capitalization date? 1905 2023. Same date you can just give it. There is no issue. But it will calculate for the whole month. Why? Because we have given month postings. Okay, the next time dependent, we don't have any time dependent. Go to the time dependent. See, if you have the business areas for the particular assets, acquisitions, and on, so you can just give the business areas. And you know it very well, assignments, origin, where these assets are coming from. And then you can just directly go to the depreciation areas. No need to worry. See, if you have the things like whatever the things that you have assigned, you can just assign it based on the tabs, the things, and on. Okay, and book depreciation. Right now we are just dealing with the things. The important thing that we have in the book depreciations are uh, SLM method, straight line methods, and written down value methods. Okay, so first we deal with the straight line depreciations and all. Useful life will be 2 years, ma'am. You no need to give any 5 years or because so depreciation start date will be 1905 2023. Same 05.2023. Okay, good. Then is everything is fine. Go to the separate. So this asset has been created. Our main asset will be 2002. Go to the notepad and try to write the 2002 with the zero sub asset. Okay. So then next one is a sub asset creation using transaction code AS11. Go to the sub asset creations now. Automatically it will going to show you. See, sub asset creations means when you have the machinery, and for that machinery you will going to have subparts, right? Okay, so I mean if the one part is not working in that machinery, so you will going to buy the asset from the vendor, right? So for that thing also we need to have these things. Okay, click on the enter now. For sub asset creations also we will going to give the depreciation areas. Can you come down now? For the main asset creations and for this thing just give one machinery one. Yes, all these things are machinery one, machinery one. Okay, automatically in the depreciation areas, you will going to find out the things also. I mean, we have given the capitalization date, we have given the depreciation areas like depreciation key, useful life, and depreciation start dates, and all. All these things we have given. So no need to give any time dependent areas. So you got the thing right. So tax depreciation is also calculated based on the book depreciation. Okay, so go to the save button and save it. Good. Can you come down, ma'am? Mm. It is okay. So the asset 2022 one is created. Very good. asset 2002, one is created. Okay, so then next one is post asset with the main vendor. Okay, go to the transaction code F-90 and go to the transaction code F-90. Yes, try to give the same date, ma'am, 1905-2022, and the company code and the currency, and the posting key will be 31, and for the main asset. Okay, I mean for the main asset means for each and every vendor we have to give it, and the next for the 70 is I think so asset numbers. If you have business areas, see whatever you have, you can just give it. Okay, so try to have the posting keys. Okay, try to remember the thing. 2002 is we are posting with the main asset only, all of you. If you want, you can just come back to this F-90 transaction code and try to create with the sub asset. There is no issue. See, for the sub assets also, we can able to have the depreciations, right? And it will be included with the main asset. Yes. We are just I mean posting the things with the main asset number, then we can move with the sub asset numbers also. And the transaction type will be 100. Transaction type will be 100. Click on the enter and just give the amount. Yes. Okay. Go to the simulate option and you can just go to the save button and just unroll. So you can just go to the save button and save it. Yes. So now you can just go to the notepad. Whatever the things that we have posted, we can able to see with the asset reports. Okay, what is the sub asset? Sorry, what is the main asset? Check main asset. If you have any things and all, you can just do it with the AS03. No need to do anything right now. And we have posted one entry that is main asset account data to the vendor account creator. Okay, so 70 is the posting key for the asset account data, and 31 is the posting for the vendor, that is creator. Okay, you got the thing right. And check asset explorer using transaction code AW01N. Go to the transaction code AW01N and we can able to check with the assets. I mean whether the assets are postings for the particular years or not. Okay, and at the same time, posted values will be posted values will be shown in this posted values, and that needs to calculate the depreciations. Okay, so posted value is there, and ordinary depreciation will be 8,689 rupees. Go to the posted values now, and we can able to see each and every depreciation. Okay, for the particular period also. Okay, for the year, so it is 2000 like this, and then next one for each and every period, that is 355 rupees. I mean sorry, 350 rupees for the second period. Why? Because uh, we have bought this asset on 1905-2023. So based on the date wise calculations for month, the calculation will be 355 rupees. Okay, so that was shown in this thing also. Good. Now what we need to do is give slash n and go to the notepad, give slash n and go to the notepad. So here in this asset report, we have to see based on the date wise also. Okay. So the thing is that S underscore ALR underscore 870111965. Take out this transaction code and go to that thing. In your SAP systems, you can just paste it this thing. Use slash n. Yes. Copy this thing. Go to that. Okay. No. What we will do is we will do one thing, ma'am. S underscore ALR underscore 870111965. Go to that thing, ma'am. S underscore ALR underscore 870111965. Click on the enter, ma'am. You will going to see the reports also. Company code and reporting date will be 31st to 03. No issue. Go to the execute option, ma'am. Okay, so you have seen the reports. See, previously we have posted for this vendor 2 lakhs and now it is in a 2 lakhs. Okay, so the total will be account accumulated depreciation will be 17,379 and on. So based on this report, you will going to see the book depreciation things. Okay, the next one, view slash and ma'am, and what is the next thing, ma'am? Go to the notepad. So display depreciation through using transaction code S underscore ALR 870120260. Okay, so you can able to do all these things for the depreciation areas also. See, we're just seeing the values in one report for the depreciation for the assets also. Okay, all these things will be shown in the asset explorer also. Okay, no need to execute this depreciation things and all. Okay, so view asset history, you know it very well. Okay, for the main assets, for the main asset things also, you can view the history using transaction code S underscore ALR underscore 870120075. You got the thing, ma'am? What we need to do is, can you go to this transaction code 870120075? S underscore ALR underscore 870120075. 870120075. Go to the, yes ma'am. So give your asset number, ma'am. You will going to see the each and every asset amounts also. Go to the execute option. No need to give any sub asset. So if you want, you can just give the sub assets also. What is the thing, ma'am? No records were selected. Why? Go to the company code, asset numbers and asset classes, and give the sub number also, ma'am. One, just give one. We have selected all these things, right? Go to the, remove this thing, remove sub number, ma'am. A reporting date will be 19/05/2023. 19/05/2023. Go to the execute option, ma'am. The report cannot be executed using this data. Okay. What we will do is, and yes, I got the point. After the calculations of the depreciations and all, we need to check with the fiscal years and with the help of asset reporter. Okay, I think so. Asset creations are done, but reports are not run, right. Okay, no issue. Now, what we need to do is we need to post the depreciation using transaction code AFA. We go to the transaction code AFA, ma'am. Go to the transaction code AFA. Okay. See, we have created the sub assets, right? After the calculations of the all these things, and the asset report will be generated with the help of accumulated depreciations and all. And give your company code and the fiscal year. The next one is posting period is 2. Posting period is 2, and the next one is asset. Okay. Give the asset 2000. Okay, and go to the test run. Yes. Yes. Okay, so you got the point, right? Come back, ma'am. 355 is the main asset thing, depreciation things for the particular period, and remove the test run, remove this asset, and go to the program, execute in background, and we need to test all these things, all of you. Execute in background, go to the continue option, go to the immediate option, and go to the check option, and go to the save button. Yes, and the background job was completely successfully completed. Okay, then next. Go to that asset explorer, ma'am. AW01N. Just refresh it. We will going to see. It is in a planned mode. Now it should be in a posted mode. Can you come down, ma'am? Go to the posted values. See all of you. So posted also, ma'am. And if you want to have the things and all, you can just double click on each and everything. You will going to see it. For tomorrow's class, we will going to see the sub-asset creations, sub-asset depreciation postings, as well as asset under construction real-time scenario for the new asset accounting. Okay, you can just stop the recording. Stop అయిపోతుంది. I will go